Hi, welcome back to another unboxing video. This is another one from Hubman and Chubgirl. This is the stationery box that I was excited for. This is the Fairy Garden Ultimate Stationery Box. This is probably the last one I'll be getting for a little while from them. But I really liked this one because I love mushrooms and the color palette's really nice. This is the freebie that they sent this month, which is a little to-do list sticky note pad. It's a little thicker than the last sticky note that we received in the last box, which I'm happy to see because that one was just way too small in my opinion. So let's get to it. Moonimus. All right, so as you can see, very similar to the last one. It's got a similar setup. You open it up, it's got a special design for each month that they send out with a different theme. I'm trying to get this sticker off. The sticker's tearing the paper on this one a little bit more. So again, this is another ultimate box. This is supposed to be everything, so you're not really missing out. As much as I would like to say that this could be good for junk journaling, I feel like it's a little bit more geared towards bullet journaling, but that's okay. So as we start out, we have the Fairy Friend pin, which I think is so cute. You always get a pin in these boxes, it seems like. It's pretty commonplace. And again, 2 washi tapes. So you got the Fairy Garden, which is super cute. This one's got butterflies. Super cute. And then it looks like we already have some die cuts, much like the last box, so 5 as well. So it seems like her boxes, or their boxes, I don't know, I think it's a woman that does most of the art. Seems like there's a formula. You get 5 die cut stickers of little characters. These are super cute. Oh, I really like this theme. Super cute little fairies. So again, you get the same type of labeling as the last box. It seems like there is a formula, but with just different characters on them. So these look like your bullet journaling, so you can set up your days and check them off. Maybe you're tracking certain things of days of the week. Oh my goodness, I love all these little everyday items on these ones. So this paper is pretty rough and grainy. I'm not sure why. Almost feels sandy. It's really strange. I don't know how I feel about it, but very cool. So similar printing on the background. I'm not sure I love the background with the lettering on this. I felt that way with the last one too. It almost detracts from the font. But otherwise, I love the mushrooms. Again, it's kind of sandy feeling. I'm not sure what that's about. So again, similar labels, different color set, and with fairies instead of the safari theme. A little bit more floral. Very cute though. So as far as liking the pack more, I do like this theme more, even though you're getting the same types of stickers so far. Let's see what's in this one. These are the variety sticker packs. I think this helps me understand more if I wanted to order smaller packs of specific things, what I would gravitate towards more. So like this is the variety sticker pack. These seem really neat. I love those. A really nice shiny one. Some bows. These are really cute. I love these like see-through stickers. You can do a lot with them. And so instead of the leaves in gold, it looks like we've got butterflies. So some more of these like layering type, scrapbooking type stickers, which I appreciate. Scrapbooking, junk journaling. Yeah, I like these stickers a lot. These look cute. This is the planner kit. So some more like planning and bullet journaling style stickers. If I can get it open. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this paper feeling sandy. I don't know what's like dusty sandy. It's kind of weird. So these are really cute. Again, more planner, places to write things. Oh, I just love the little mushroom homes. These are adorable. A little more variety. I feel like I can actually do a planner with this one, as last time I felt like it's already kind of late in August. I guess I could use it and just leave the month stickers off for the theme. So again, you get another one of these like sticker holders for like a binder that I don't have. I think it's cool that it comes with all these things. So it's kind of like they want you to build on each subscription each month, and then whatever you have left over you can store in here. More little fairies. Very cute. All the little mushrooms. These butterflies almost remind me of bow ties. It's kind of interesting. Very nice. Let's see what's in this pack. And then you got your September labels. More labels for the days of the week. Awesome. Little card scene from the theme. She loves to write like what inspires her, which I think is really cute. So again, we've got these more nice heavier duty stickers. I like these a lot. Are these the same? Yeah, pretty much. Similar. Very cute. And then what else do we have in here? So it looks like there's a little bit of difference where they added some paper clips, and I think these paper clips are mushrooms, but let's take them out of the bag. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest paper clip I've ever seen. Very cute. And then again, you've got some loose little stickers left in the pack. Like last time it was leaves, this is a butterfly and a mushroom. So that concludes the unboxing for this month is Fairy Garden. While I think it's a good deal if you're into planner type stationery, I don't think it has as much variety for maybe scrapbooking as, or like junk journaling. So just keep that in mind when you're getting if the Ultimate Stationery box is everything that they produce for that theme in the month, as far as I know. But if you're looking for specific style of stickers and you want to save some money, you probably want to look into their junk journaling subscription box or something like that, because I think that they can help you identify which stickers work best. That way you're not wasting your money. I'm going to try the planner thing out. I've done it before and then I kind of just don't use it. But we'll see. Maybe this year will be the defining year that I use planner books. But the washi tape, the little colorful stickers, all the fairies and the mushrooms and things like that, those are so awesome. All right, I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.